Hi guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video guys I'll be showing you the way on how to connect and also how to set up your FY16 Fiypo smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back to our channel. This is Josh here, and for today's video guys I'll be showing you the way on how to connect your Fiypo Fy16 smartwatch and also on how to set the time. Okay guys, so let's try to go to our smartwatch, and then let's try to reset first. Okay. Okay guys, so resetting is done. So all we have to do is we're going to get our smartphone, and then let's scan the QR code. So for you to scan the QR code guys, let's just go to settings here and then tap on QR code there, and let's scan it. Okay, so it said, so it detected wear health top. Okay, so it says here update because I have already downloaded this one, so it will look like this guys, VFit. Okay, so as you can see guys, the time is not set here. It is 12:31 on our watch. So now let's tap on open. Okay, and it says here please connect device, so let's tap on device and let's tap on add device. Okay, it detected our FY16, so let's tap on that one and pairing, allow. Alright, so as you can see, the time it is already set. Okay, and so this is now our setup. So in here you have your watch face, also incoming SMS, so you can enable that one. Okay, we have here call reminder. So it says here incoming call alerts, so you can turn it on. And then app alerts. Okay, for Facebook, you can also Instagram, Skype, and Line. Okay, and we also have here device alarm, so you can add your alarm that you like. Sedentary reminder guys, so it means like if you've been sitting for a long time, then your watch will remind you. Okay, there's also goal notifications here. Device will vibrate when you reach your goal. So there's also phone book, so you can actually add your contacts and then you tap on sync like that. Okay, and then we also have here time format, so find device. So let's try it guys. So as you can see, our smartwatch, it says there find device. Okay, that's it. And then there's also do not disturb mode, so this is important especially when you're on meeting or you're in a class, so you don't want to be disturbed. Then wake screen or wrist raise, then you can also customize that one. Then there's also automatic heart rate detection, easy camera. There's also easy camera, so you can use your camera as your remote control, so like this. So tap on the watch and it captures the picture of. And then we also have here firmware upgrade, so we have here the latest version. And on the exercise section, you can check the GPS here. And the home, you have their calories, distance, heart rate, your sleep, your blood oxygen level, and your blood pressure. Okay, so it's just very easy guys. Yeah, if you have any questions guys, just make sure to comment down below. And then if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.